Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my strawberry plants. I bought them around a week ago. So this strawberry is just pollinated and it's starting to lose its petals. I've got 4 strawberries growing over here, and a tip I have for you is you can prop them under some rocks so that they won't get moldy from the wet soil. I've got 2 runner plants over here that came from the main plant, and they were there when I bought them, so I just separated them. To keep pests away, I put a fine mesh sheet over, and I just put a stake through the middle so that it wouldn't be touching the leaves. Ever since putting this sheet over it, I haven't had any problems with insects. I also came across an unexpected pest. It's furry and brown. Yes, my dog. She loves to eat the strawberry leaves. So that was the main reason I put the net over as well. Thanks for watching!